Okay, today we're going to look at the radar robot. Now this particular one is a reproduction. It was the one made by Planet Robot back in 2004. I'm looking to see if I'm getting that right. 2004. They did also a version of the Japanese radar robot like this, but they also did this radar robot, I believe. And if you followed my videos, you'll know that this was basically a battery operated version of the wind-up version that sparks of the original German version from 1954. In this particular case, this reproduction, you have two D cells, so you have more power. The other one I showed you, it had a single C cell. So when you push it, you get a walking action. I'll try and get it where my arms aren't blocking the camera view. You have the light up eyes, flashing radar dish, and the walking action. It has the ratchet feet like you would expect. It's a numbered, yes, in between the crotch if the camera can see up in there. It's not a bad reproduction. The biggest problem that I've had with the Repro ones is the dishes tend to break off the shaft real easily. Now, as far as the other reproductions they did of, say, the normal radar robot, I'm not going to take them all out of the case, but here I have a lineup of them. As you can see here, I had a note indicating that this one in the front is a prototype that I got from Planet Robots. It was just unpainted metal for the most part, so it's rusted. It's not aged, it just was a prototype. But they sold them in a lot of different colors, as you can see. If I get back far enough, I guess, where they fill the screen. You need your blues, silver and blue, all silver. Back here we have a nice burgundy and silver. Up here we have a red with black. And on the other side, we have a nice maroon. There's a nice metallic or dark brown with red. So they did a lot of different color variations of the radar robot. And obviously, since I have all those and I bought them all mint, that means their boxes are here somewhere. But unfortunately, I don't remember where. They're probably down here buried behind some of these things. Anywhere along there. I didn't feel like pulling all the boxes out just to find them. I do have the boxes, I just don't know where the boxes are. So I think we'll probably end the lineup of this particular style of robot with this video. And again, for those that haven't seen it, I'll put a link down below for the German ST1 and the video that I did on the wind-up version from Japan called Sparking Ratchet Robot, and then Radar Robot, and then the reproduction is the one you're watching right now.